In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make separate text colors in Canva. This is a quick, simple way to emphasize certain words or letters in a headline, create contrast in a subheading, or add a bit of personality to your designs without changing the whole text block. Start by opening your project in Canva and navigating to the page with the text you want to edit. Click on the text box so it becomes active. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around your text. Now, click once inside the text to place your cursor and then click and drag to highlight only the specific word, phrase, or character you want to recolor. The highlight should be clear on screen. This is the key step. If the entire text box is selected instead of specific characters, the color change will apply to everything. So make sure only the part you want is highlighted. With that selection active, look to the top toolbar and click the text color option. This is usually displayed as a color swatch or an A with a color underline. When the color panel opens, choose the color you want. As soon as you click a color, you'll see your highlighted text update instantly, while the rest of the text stays the same. If it doesn't, double check that your text is still highlighted and not deselected. If you want to color multiple parts of the same text box differently, simply click away to remove the highlight, then repeat the process. Click inside the text, drag to highlight the next word or letter, and pick another color from the toolbar. This approach gives you clean, intentional emphasis, without duplicating text or using separate layers. A few quick tips to keep your design looking polished. Use high contrast colors for readability, especially on small text. Consider reusing the same accent color for consistency across your page, and preview your design at 100% zoom to make sure the colored text is legible. If you make a change you don't love, use undo to step back and try a different shade. That's all there is to it. Open your project, highlight the exact text you want, click the color option on the toolbar, and choose your color. Repeat as needed for other words or letters, and you're done. With this simple technique, you can guide your viewers' attention and elevate your design in seconds.